Joel 2:25 AI says, I will restore to you the years that the swarming locust has eaten. We all carry hurts from the past. Some are rooted in betrayal, loss, trauma, or words spoken carelessly. Others linger from seasons of rejection, mistakes we regret, or moments when we felt unseen and unloved. These wounds often shape the way we see ourselves, the way we relate to others, and even the way we approach God. But God is not only a healer, He is the restorer of the broken places. He does not dismiss our pain. Instead, He meets us in it, gathers every shattered piece, and lovingly begins the work of making us whole. Joel 2:25 AM is a promise from God. It speaks to those moments in life where we feel robbed of time, joy, innocence, or peace. The locusts may have looked like betrayal, abandonment, addiction, grief, or emotional abuse. And perhaps you've looked back at your life and wondered, how can any good come from this? This verse reminds us that God is in the business of restoration. He doesn't just patch us up. He redeems what was lost. He can take the years that feel wasted and make them fruitful. He can fill the void with joy we thought was gone forever. Restoration doesn't always mean erasing the memory of pain, but it does mean that pain no longer controls us. It means we can live forward, not chained to the past. It means God can use even the broken places as part of His redemptive story in our lives. No matter how long ago the hurt happened, last year or decades ago, today is a day God can begin to restore. Bring your wounded heart to Him just as it is. Let Him hold you, speak truth over you, and show you the beauty He is still writing in your story. Let Joel 2:25 be your anchor. God sees what was taken from you, and He promises to restore it. He will bring beauty out of brokenness and joy from your sorrow. You are not forgotten. You are not beyond healing. You are deeply loved. If this prayer has encouraged you today, type Amen in the comments. See you tomorrow.